rupees. So that is all about the gas price hike and the impact. But automakers, they have been reporting sales for the month of August, with passenger vehicle makers reporting strong domestic sales growth. Sonia is here to tell us more and wrap it up for us. Sonia?
Well, good morning. Thanks for that. As you rightly pointed out, the passenger vehicle makers like Maruti have reported a strong growth on a year-on-year basis. It's also the base effect that's coming into play. So for Maruti particularly, if you look at it, both domestic and export growth looked good this time, although it was slightly below brokerage estimates from Nomura. Total sales have gone up 104% year-on-year, coming in at 1.76 lakh units. Domestic sales growth was very strong, 125% on a year-on-year basis, and exports have recovered as well. It's a growth of about 22%. Let's move on. Very good growth coming in the tractor segment. So Escorts Kubota reported a sharp growth of almost 40% overall, while 43% year-on-year in the domestic tractor segment. The only disappointment this time came in the two-wheeler space from Hero MotoCorp. So Hero MotoCorp's numbers, total sales were down 2% year-on-year at 5.19 lakh units. The scooter segment has been hit as well, and peer TVS Motor also reported weakness in its exports, which dragged down its numbers. One of the stars of today could be Ashok Leyland, because the numbers for Ashok Leyland were very strong. Sales at the highest since March of this year. MHCV sales have come back in a big way as infrastructure activity has picked up, 124% growth over there, and total sales have gone up 84% on a year-on-year basis. Tata Motors as well was not too far behind, but for Tata Motors it was largely led by the passenger vehicle segment that saw a growth of 85%, with passenger EVs, the electric vehicles, seeing a growth of 239% year-on-year. Commercial vehicles actually struggled a bit, so low single-digit growth over there. And even Eicher Motors did pretty well, especially in the Royal Enfield segment. So all in all, barring something like a Hero MotoCorp that was a bit weak and TVS Motor where exports are under pressure, most other companies reported a healthy set of numbers in the month of September. Back to you.
Okay, so largely positive as far as the auto trend is concerned. Sonia, thank you so much for joining us with all those details. With that, we'll slip into a break now. Up next, we'll get you all the cues from the commodity